Well, good morning. This is Dan Macon with the University of California Cooperative Extension, and we're going to do a little tutorial on buying livestock through online auctions right now with the shelter at place or in place order in California. And really just in general, online auctions are becoming more popular. We may see them for junior livestock auctions at our county fairs this year, and we're certainly seeing them for other types of events as well. So we're going to use the example of the upcoming California Wool Growers Association California Ram Sale, which will be offered online this year for the first time. And what I'd like to do is to walk you through how to get to the website, how to look up information about the sale, and then how to register to bid. Bidding will begin for this particular sale in a couple of weeks, but we can walk through how to access information. So I will share my screen here, and we are going to go to the California Ram Sale site on the California Wool Growers Association website. So here's our landing page, or the home page for the California Wool Growers Association. If we go to news and events, we see the California Ram Sale right here, and we go to the Wool Growers page about the sale. And you can see that online viewing will begin Sunday, April 12th. The sale bidding will actually open right here on 8 o'clock on April 17th, and it will close at 3 p.m. on Saturday, April 18th. And to get to the sale website, we go here. This is the company that's managing the sale for the Wool Growers Association. And you can see right here that we've got the information on the California Ram Sale. And there's some general information right here talking about how the rams will be evaluated for quality and health. And then there will be videos and still photos of all of the rams within the catalog once those are collected. If you've got questions about how the auction works, you can click here on auction details, and it will walk through the time information, how payment is made, and so forth. We can also go here and view the catalog. At the moment, there are no photos or videos in the catalog, but you can see all of the consigners here. For example, lot 2 here is Andy Edmondson with 1 registered merino ram, I should say. And bidding will open in 12 days, 20 hours, and 42 minutes on that ram. So that's a real easy way to look at the catalog. One of the things you can do now, just so you're ready to go once the sale starts, is go here and register to bid. And so we can put, I've already been in here, but we're gonna start a new bidder here. So I'm going to enter my email address, and we'll use my extension address. So it's real easy, and then we just type it in again so it's sure that we're doing the right address. And we'll check the email, and then we're going to put some information about myself in here. So we're going to say UC Cooperative Extension. We're in California, 95603. Let's see. And now we need some additional information. I'll put my office phone in here. Don't have a fax. So we're going to use, my username will be dmacon, and I will put a password in. Asked me to confirm the password. We've got the email. And we're going to create a new account. That username is not available, so we're going to use DK Macon. And now we're going to create a new account. And if you want, you can save your password for that username on your computer. I successfully created an account, and then once I start bidding, I will be asked to agree to the terms and conditions of the auction. But I can start bidding now, and we're ready to go. And here I can send notes to the auctioneer if I've got questions about how the auction works. Here are the terms and conditions for the auction. And most auctions will have this, where you've got to agree to pay for what you buy, and all the sale guarantees here. And we can click all the way through those and read all of the terms of sale so that you know what you're doing. And then if you agree to them, you click here to acknowledge you have read and accepted the terms and conditions of the sale, and we submit our registration. And now I'm registered, which it shows right here, and I can start bidding once the auction opens. So it's really pretty easy. We'll do another tutorial on how to bid once the sale starts, but we will also have folks available to talk to by phone once the auction is running if you've got questions on how to bid or need help accessing the website. This is a fairly standard platform for doing online livestock auctions, so you may see this for your county fair, junior livestock auction. A lot of purebred sales are working this way now, so it is something that's good to know. And so with that, it's really very simple. It's a great way to shelter at home while we're dealing with this current COVID-19 crisis, but it's also really a way that more and more people are selling livestock. So if you have any questions, I will put my contact information up at the end of this video, and good luck.